What's up, everyone? It's your boys Jay and Blaine.
Yeah.
This looks so good.
This whole place is insane.
Yeah, paradise, baby. And where are we, Blaine?
We're in Valcourt, Canada. This is where Ski-Doo's home is, the factory. We're gonna check it out. But before we get all that going, we gotta go to visit the museum, learn a little bit about the history of Ski-Doo.
Let's not waste any time.
Let's do it.
Get out of here.
We made it.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of museums as it is, but one that's just about Ski-Doo.
Yeah.
Twist my arm.
Fixing to be pretty rad. And it looks like that's like a replica of the original garage.
Yeah, like the one that this all started from.
at,
Yeah, that's cool. Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Nice meeting you. Welcome
Pleasure.
at the Museum of Ingenuity, Joseph Armand Bombardier.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, well, it's our pleasure. This year is a 20th anniversary of the company called BRP, Bombardier Recreational Product.
Yeah.
BRP Valcourt is the center of expertise for BRP worldwide. So do you know why Mr. Bombardier was named father of modern snowmobile?
I think it's because he was the first to mass produce.
Exactly. He made 12, and then the year after 25, the year after 50, and then when he was ready to make 100, well, war broke out. He had just patented his B-12, and the Army was very interested in that vehicle.
Yeah.
So it all started in a little garage, and it went international.
If you guys ever get a chance to come to Valcourt, you got to come to the museum.
Come see the evolution from the butter box to the Rev Gen 5. It's unbelievable.
Pretty impressive.
We're going to the storage area.
Oh, it smells so
Yeah,
good
it
in here
smells
too.
so good too.
Doesn't look very comfortable.
That's why folks back in the day were so tough. Right there. Your back was a suspension.
Don't touch. Whoop.
So I can't help but notice, what's this?
Yeah.
In 1980, they asked designers, what is a snowmobile gonna look like in 2000?
I would drive one of those, though, just so everybody knows. If you guys think that Ski-Doo should build us a few of these actual models, drop your comments. We want one.
So actually, his first snowmobiles he sold, they were $968.
$968 for a snowmobile.
That's sick.
That is so cool. You don't see one of those every day. Thank you for having us. This place is something special, and I'm gonna spend a lot more time in here. But first, we gotta go check out the factory, see the new stuff they're pumping out, get an update on the sleds, and we'll see you guys here in a minute.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks like an actual bumblebee, almost.
There you go. Bumblebee.
This is the bumblebee. We made it.
Yeah, dude, I'm so stoked.
Hey guys,
Hi,
how are
I'm
you?
Jay.
Welcome.
Blaine.
Let's go see how we do Ski-Doos here in Valcourt.
Yes, let's do
like
it. I see a free ride.
Oh, free rides.
My throttle thumb's twitching.
This is heaven on earth.
If you got a free ride this year, drop a comment below.
Yeah, we want to know if you think this is your sled. The last three of this VIN is 105. We want to know if you get this sled, 105. We won't forget, so you better remember too. It looks like they're greasing everything up, which is good to see. We're just doing a little line inspection.
Looks good to me.
Yeah.
Looks ready to send.
I think we should come supervise for a day.
Yeah, you should.
Right.
Did I mention that there's another free ride that could be yours?
Music to my ears. That guy has the coolest job here.
Engine rever guy, but I guess there's a more technical name for it. That's what I call it.
Keep up the good work.
Yeah, this whole place is insane. There's so much going on, but yet it's so simple and it makes so much sense. That's where the quality is coming from, right here.
I'm pretty sure they've loaded a full semi just in the time that we walked around here.
Yeah,
Like, it's cranking.
the forklifts don't stop around here.
You guys got to realize that there are thousands of people here that are working their hearts out
The amount of appreciation I have for what goes on here is nuts. You just see it from the start to the engine to it's going in its crate, and hopefully you come be your sled. Totally rad.
One last question.
Go ahead.
Where's the best place for poutine?
You guys are really lucky because it's right across the road.
Sounds like we better probably make our way over there soon. See you guys there.
I'm pretty hungry for some poutine.
Yeah.
Are you?
Apparently, Resto Bar Halin,
Is that how you say it?
something like
Halin?
that, has the good stuff.
Well, let's go get some.
let's
dude.
try it
Let's
out.
go.
Hello, bienvenue chez
Hello.
LM.
Bonjour. We were over at the Skidoo factory and they said you have the best poutine in town.
Les meilleurs en ville.
Poutine Special, Poutine Viande, Poutine Galvada. Not pronouncing any of this right. Spaghetti, I can read that one right, and pizza.
Poutine Helene. I'm gonna get that.
Coffee's pretty good here.
Dip your mustache into it.
I'll keep the mustache out of my coffee cup for now. Oh, baby.
Appétit.
Fantastic.
merci.
You look like you might be the real Helene.
Oui, je suis Hélène.
Pleasure
Oh.
to meet you.
Thank you so much.
Merci.
Merci.
Merci. This looks so good.
That's like real cheese. Like fromage or something they call it. I've had some poutine, but this poutine is out of this world. Pretty good. Cheers, buddy.
Wish you were here.
Oh man, that lunch was good.
Yeah, that poutine is no joke, dude. So good.
Ooh, the race shop.
You think JF's here?
I'll bet he's here. This is the place to find him.
Let's go see if they have our sleds on the left.
Yeah. Oh,
Race shop, baby. We've been waiting a minute for this. There's our guy.
There's the man.
Mr. J.
Hey, JF.
How are you?
Boss man, I'm
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
How are you?
Been a while.
You're alive in the summertime.
I'm alive in the summertime.
I thought you were just a winter guy.
I survived.
Come on, I'll give you a little tour.
Don't let him stray too far. He'll end up with the Makitas.
So we have at the race shop almost everything we need to build cool stuff. We don't mass produce here, we do R&D.
Yeah.
So we have a little bit of everything, all tools, all material we need to try stuff. And once we know it's good, we put it on the production line. And you know your friend Danny is over there.
Danny, hey.
Sorry, guys.
We're wondering where you are.
Never too far.
See,
Turning wrenches.
Yeah, I like it.
this thing's got a radiator on it, so it never overheats. It's got wheels for skis and an asphalt track.
But this is actually is a snow crest sled we use in the summer for motor carburation, like a little bit touching. Things we want to try in the engine.
So for you guys, it's more of the Summit Hill Climb Edition that we're launching in 2024 that
Yes.
is more appealing to you.
I'm still in shock that actually happened and we get to race those.
And it's available to the consumers. That's what's cool.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people are going to have fun on that sled.
Man, oh man. The Hill Climb Edition. This is pretty much a sled we dreamed of to have on the race course and in the backcountry for ourselves. Oh. It has a completely rigid skid, and then it's also coming with a 15-inch wide track. Like, the suspension's calibrated, you know, in a more firm way too, so it's made for the big bumps, big jumps. I mean, the faster you hit things with these and the harder, the better it is. One cool thing with this is you get the sound of this. That's perfume right there.
Your cologne.
Thank you guys for coming to Valcourt.
Oh,
It's been a
thanks
true
for having
pleasure.
us.
Thanks for having us.
We are truly lucky to have you part of the team.
Yeah.
This is the
Thanks for
magic
having
place. We're thinking about borrowing the snowmobile.
Yeah?
Yeah.
There's a lot of paved roads going home, so all systems a go.
Tether, fan on.
Fan is on.
Ready?
We're out of here.
Finally, the golf course.
I wonder how you say four in French.
They'll probably get it.
Nice.
Merci.
There you go, guys. Merci.
You'll never see these again.
Good enough. Why do you be in the woods?
Yes.
Yeah, probably.
Have fun, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh.
Well, that wraps up our tour of Valcourt and the Skidoo factory. It was an amazing time. Hope you all like it. We can't say big enough thanks to everyone we met, everyone that helped us tour, and we confirmed in person they're pumping out sleds like mad. So no worries, the snow is gonna be here before we know it, and so are your sleds.
We're gonna hit some golf balls, kind of wind down and get on the roads. Thank you guys.